How to disable Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can disable Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, disabling your Instagram account is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. Then just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap on the three lines option from the top right, and then simply go to the option called Account Center. From here, you want to simply go to the option called Personal Details, then go to the option called Account Ownership and Control, go to Deactivation and Deletion, then select your Instagram account from the menu. Then all you have to do is select either deactivate or delete. Now, if you want to only disable it temporarily so that you might want to re-enable it next time, you can select deactivate account only, then tap on continue, enter your password, and your Instagram account will get successfully disabled. That's all it takes to disable Instagram account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.